Elevate your aerial photography and flying experience with the Xiaomi Mijia XT808 GPS Drone. This professional-grade, foldable RC quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K HD dual camera system, a unique 4.5-inch large-screen remote control, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. With an astonishing 3.0 kilometers remote control distance, the XT808 is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with confidence. Stunning 8K HD dual cameras with servo gimbal and EIS. The XT808 truly shines in its imaging capabilities. It features a wide-angle high-definition Wi-Fi lens placed on the front and a high-definition lens with optical flow positioning at the bottom, allowing for seamless switching between camera angles. While the primary camera is 4K, the 8K HD dual camera in the product name promises incredibly sharp and detailed output. The integrated servo gimbal stabilization design is crucial for smooth footage, and EIS, electronic image stabilization, is added to make your photos and videos clearer and smoother, even during dynamic movements. Revolutionary large-screen remote control and 3 km transmission. Experience unparalleled control and immersion with the XT808's unique remote control that has a built-in HD screen display. This large 4.5-inch screen provides a direct, lossless high-definition picture transmission feed, 5G optical flow Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a separate mobile phone for FPV and offering a seamless, immersive piloting experience. With an impressive 3.0 kilometers remote control distance, you can explore vast areas and capture distant scenes while maintaining a strong, real-time visual connection. Accurate GPS and intelligent flight safety. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the XT808's advanced positioning and safety features. Accurate GPS precise positioning enables crucial functions like one-key return, no signal return, and low battery return, ensuring your drone always finds its way home and providing peace of mind. The drone is also equipped with an obstacle avoidance head, which allows it to stop suddenly when encountering obstacles without colliding with them, making it incredibly user-friendly and safe for all skill levels. The drone supports automatic switching between optical flow and GPS for optimal stability in various environments. Powerful brushless motors and extended endurance. The XT808 is propelled by a robust 2100 kV 1503 brushless motor, which provides stronger power, greater efficiency, and a longer service life compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight and enhanced responsiveness. The drone is powered by a 7.4V 1300 mAh lithium battery, 9.62 Wh, offering an impressive 20 to 25 minutes of flight time for the GPS version. Recharging takes approximately 120 minutes. The remote control is powered by a USB rechargeable battery. Smart control and dynamic flight modes. The XT808 is packed with intelligent functions for an intuitive and dynamic flight experience. Custom route, you can draw the picture you want to fly on the app, and the drone will autonomously fly along the designated route. Intelligent following, the drone will automatically follow a designated subject, keeping them in the frame for dynamic video capture. Circumferential flight, set a target, and the drone will orbit around it, creating cinematic revolving shots. Palm control, an intuitive control method using hand gestures. Real-time map positioning, track your drone's location on a map in real time. Out-of-control map route planning, a safety feature for planning a return route if control is lost. App mobile phone control offers comprehensive control via a dedicated application. One key return, effortlessly brings the drone back to its takeoff point. Headless mode eliminates the need to adjust the drone's position before flying, making control intuitive. Standard flight movements, capable of ascent and descent, forward and backward, and left and right side flight. Gesture photography, capture photos or start video recording with simple hand gestures. Compact, foldable and regulation-friendly design. Designed for convenience, the XT808 is a foldable drone. When folded, it measures a compact 14.5 by 12 by 6.5 centimeters, expanding to 26 by 23 by 6.5 centimeters when open. Weighing just 229 grams, its light body weight is a significant advantage, as it can avoid national air traffic control in many countries. Drones over 250G often require certification or registration, saving you the hassle of certification and registration. The drone receives on a 5G frequency. It comes in a sleek dark blue color. The Xiaomi Mijia XT808 GPS drone offers a compelling blend of high-resolution 8K HD camera capabilities, extensive range, advanced obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, all within a portable and regulation-friendly design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech insights.